Is a lap band effective? If you're a person that has battled with their weight, it may seem like the entire advertising world is against you. You see it all the time. Advertisements in the paper and on TV for pills diets and other weirder options, all of which promise you that you will lose the weight you want in record time. Of course, all for rather hefty and continual fees. Even radio, once a bastion of easy listening, has become inundated with advertisements claiming the same. Of course, you may have also considered surgery, be it stapling, lap band, or some other form. If you've done any research into different surgeries, you will know that lap band is that is quite popular due to the fact that it doesn't require staples, isn't as complex procedure, and doesn't need a lengthy hospital stay afterward. But the question you might be asking is this an effective form of treatment for me? In order to answer that question, you first need to consider your current lifestyle and weight loss goals. For instance, you want to be able to continue to eat your regular food and those sweets that we all love, if you want to continue to drink cola every day, and if you decide that exercise is for suckers, then lap band will not be an effective method for you. In that case, it may be better to opt for a harsh cleanse every few months, but this will not ultimately help in your goal to become healthier. You need to fully understand your goals and motivations before making that appointment to get pre-screened to see if you are a candidate. Once you've done this, the next thing you will need to do to ensure the effectiveness of lap band treatment is to make a commitment to yourself that you will follow through on what your doctors and nutritionist tells you. This, of course, will require quite a bit of discipline, especially if you, like many of us, like the rich food that is so easily obtainable. A lap band treatment will require you to make a number of changes in your diet. Things like avoiding fast food or sugary sweets is one, carbonated drinks are another to be avoided. You might be wondering why this is. The reason for this is that these types of foods add no nutrition to your body and work against it. Why am I harping so much on proper diet? Simple. Lap band treatment essentially create a pouch that can be inflated or deflated, allowing more or less food to be taken in and digested. In short, it won't matter how your doctor adjusts the belt if your diet consists of high-fat, high-calorie foods. So, is lap band effective? It is, as long as you commit to healthy choices. Brought to you by www.lapbanddoctors.com.